respected judges, teachers from various schools, and my fellow mates. I am Dinah Hansepi from the 10th standard of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Hungary. Today I stand here in front of you all to present an extempore speech and share my thoughts through a topic, climate change. To start off with, what do we mean by climate change? Obviously, it is a change in the weather mostly that we experience in our daily lives. But the real question here is, why is climate change occurring? Most of you might say that climate change is occurring due to the activities of humans, which is true, I would say. Climate change occurs mainly due to the reasons such as deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, and many others such as that. Mainly the main cause is as we call ourselves. But to say so, we are not social animals, because if we were, we wouldn't have contributed towards climate change. Climate change is a major factor that is also causing global warming, which is reducing the ice caps of the polar regions, resulting in the loss of habitations for many polar animals such as polar bears. Climate change is a very important factor which is to be avoided. How can we avoid it? The simple answer is, we can avoid climate change by planting more trees, by using cleaner sources of energy such as solar power, hydroelectricity. It can also be reduced by the use of bicycles instead of cars that use fossil fuels, the burning of which causes global warming as they release more CO2. My dear friends, my humble request to each and every one of us present here is that we should not contribute towards climate change, because climate change might be a major factor which will result in the end of our earth. We do not want that, do we? Therefore, we must plant more trees, we must use cleaner sources of energy through which